Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What many trail and off-road enthusiasts have been waiting for is finally becoming a reality. BMW has confirmed the arrival of their new F450 GS. This bike could become a game changer in the trail world, designed to attract new riders with the perfect blend of technology, power, accessibility, and an amazing design that everyone's going to love. During the presentation of the BMW C400X in Latin America, a brand executive broke the news. The F450 GS could have its world premiere by the end of this year. We'll most likely see it at the EICMA show in Milan this November or the Intermot show in Cologne in December 2025, with the first models hitting the streets in the first half of 2026. The main takeaway is that we're getting very close to meeting the newest competitor to the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, the CFMOTO 450 MT, and the KTM 390 Adventure R. BMW's strategy is clear and precise. The F450 will be the entry point to the brand's exclusive GS motorcycle lineup. It's set to replace the G310, which unfortunately didn't meet expectations, and will be positioned just below the F800 and F900 models. To achieve this, it will feature a powerful 48-horsepower twin-cylinder engine, perfect for riders who want controlled power and are compatible with the A2 license in Europe. All of this is mounted on a lightweight frame, weighing around 175 kilos, making it ideal for the city, highways, and more demanding off-road trails. As a modern BMW, this bike won't be short on technology. It will come standard with a 6.5-inch full-color display with cell phone connectivity and GPS navigation. It also boasts a top-tier suspension system with an adjustable inverted front fork and a fully adjustable rear shock, both with long travel. Additionally, it will include the advanced switchable ABS Pro system, which adapts braking based on the bike's lean angle. Best of all, it might hit the market in two different versions, a more affordable option with alloy wheels and a premium version focused on off-road riding. This all leads to one clear conclusion. The new BMW F450 GS is shaping up to be one of the most significant launches in recent years, not just for the brand, but for the entire middleweight adventure motorcycle segment, which is booming right now. It's a model that combines a powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and an accessible price point, all in one package. The estimated launch price for the global market will be around €7,500 and $7,000. The big question is, will this new BMW be able to dethrone its rivals and become the new king of the segment? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share our content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.